Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing the phone so alerts can reach you. Make sure your Android is updated and location is enabled. Carriers deliver alerts tied to network location. Once done, go to Settings, then Apps and Notifications, tap Advanced and choose Emergency Alerts. You're now at the control screen where the system receives wireless emergency alerts. Follow the next steps to choose which alerts and how loud they'll be so you don't miss critical warnings. You'll now configure what kinds of alerts arrive and how they behave. Turn on Presidential, Imminent Threat, and Amber alerts depending on your needs, then pick a distinct sound and vibration so you can identify emergencies fast. Make sure Repeat alerts and pop-up settings are adjusted. Repeat can be life-saving for overlooked messages. Also allow emergency alerts to override Do Not Disturb so they always notify you. This ensures urgent notices reach you, even when your phone is otherwise silenced. Complete the setup by verifying alerts work. Trigger a test message if available or wait for the next official test. After changes, restart your phone to apply settings and confirm the Emergency Alerts app has notification and location permissions. If alerts still don't arrive, clear the app cache, re-enable permissions, and check that your carrier supports WEA in your area. One quick troubleshooting tip. Call your carrier to confirm cell broadcast provisioning before more invasive resets, as service-side blocks are common.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.